as all of you know that we are going through the online classes. The last edition of the class I told you that we have completed the OL, UL, some attributes of the OL, UL, and today we are going to go through the two types of things. One is nested list and one is a definition list. What is a nested list? Nested list means one list inside another. What is nested list means? One list inside another. Suppose inside a order list there can be an unordered list. Inside a order list there can be another order list, and another one the definition list. Definition list means one term will be there and that's definitions will be there. Okay, first we will learn the nested list. For the nested list, what is going to be happen? HTML. Suppose I prepare the list in such a way that well inside a well and UL will be there, unordered list will be there. Well, LI, language. Then UL start. In the UL, under the LI, what are the language? English, Hindi, Sanskrit. Then UL has been finished. But don't close the well, because well will close at last. If you close the well, then everything is going to be closed over here. Then what I have done? Once again, LI. This LI is for this well. See that one. Well, LI for this well, and once again, what will going to be happen? LI for the first well, science. Now the once again the you will start biology, chemistry, physics. Now the you will close. Now the first well is going to be closed over there, and then the HTML. What will be the output of the program? Output of the program is look like this. This is the language, order list, inside the order list 3 unordered lists are there. Once again this is the order list, continuation of this one, and once again this one. This is called the nested list. Now we will come from the definition list. In the definition list there are three tags: DL, DT, DD. DL will start, DT for which term, the term for which the definition is going to be written, that will be there. In the DD, the definition will be there. Once again I have written two definition, DT, the term for which the definition will be there, and the DD is going to contain the definition of that particular thing. And what will going to be happen? At last DL will going to be closed. If you want, you can close the body and the HTML. If you don't close, then also program is going to be run. But remember one thing, according to the CBSE ROM, you have to close the body and the HTML. The output of the program, see that one. The term for which the definition is to be said, then the definition. The term for which the definition is going to be written, and the definition. Thank you very much.